Construction sites are monuments to human effort and ingenuity. Every day across the country, teams of skilled workers raise cities, connect communities with roads and bridges, and build the very homes we live in. They are places of incredible progress, but they are also places of inherent risk. The sheer scale of the work, massive machinery, heavy materials, and often significant heights creates a complex environment where a single moment of inattention can have permanent, devastating consequences. A small mistake, a forgotten check, or a shortcut taken under pressure doesn't just lead to a setback. It can cost someone their life. The dangers are real and ever-present, but not mysterious. Decades of data identified the top killers OSHA calls the Fatal Four. To build a truly safe worksite, we must first understand the primary threats we are up against. OSHA's Fatal Four provides a clear, data-driven roadmap to the most significant dangers. These aren't abstract concepts, they are real events on real sites. Falls are the largest share of construction fatalities. The first and most deadly are falls. Falls to a lower level from any height, from a roof, from a ladder, or through an unprotected opening in a floor. Falls lead the industry and in many years account for more deaths than the other three combined. Struck-by incidents involve being hit by objects or equipment, swinging loads, backing vehicles without spotters, dropped tools, and flying debris. The reason falls are the most frequent killer is a matter of physics and exposure. Unlike localized hazards, the potential for a fall exists across a vast range of activities: roofing, framing, ironworking, painting, and more. Every foot of elevation increases potential energy. A minor stumble on the ground becomes life-threatening just 10 feet up. Common root causes: unguarded skylights, missing midrails, ladders on uneven surfaces, and harnesses not properly anchored. These are basic safety lapses. Complacency is gravity's greatest ally. Eliminate the hazard. Assemble on the ground, then lift into place. Use passive protection, guardrails and covers to prevent falls from ever occurring. When necessary, rely on PFAS, a full-body harness, a lanyard or SRL, and a secure 5,000-pound rated anchor. Building a robust safety program is like any project. It requires a solid plan. ISO 45001 provides a framework for proactive planning and operational control. Safety woven into how work is done. For fall protection, planning identifies every task with fall risk and the best control using the hierarchy of controls. First, engineer the risk out. Can a parapet wall be built higher to act as a permanent guardrail? Can we use aerial lifts instead of ladders or scaffolds? Can modules be prefabricated on the ground? Every minute moved from height to ground is a victory. When elimination isn't possible, implement passive systems that don't rely on worker action. A proper guardrail, top rail, mid-rail, and toe board provides a constant, reliable barrier. These systems protect everyone by default. Use administrative controls and PPE when needed. Training, daily inspections, vigilant supervision. Define required gear, inspection methods, approved anchors, and the rescue plan. Then enforce without exception. Struck by can happen anywhere. Control motion with spotters, taglines, and exclusion zones. Separate people from equipment and maintain constant situational awareness. Prevent caught in or between by controlling stored energy, mechanical, hydraulic, and structural. Lockout-tagout de-energizes machinery before maintenance, non-negotiable and life-saving. No one enters trenches over 5 feet without shielding, shoring, or sloping. Physics will not forgive. Electrocution demands distance and identification of all overhead and underground lines. Only qualified personnel work near energized circuits with proper tools and PPE. Use GFCIs, inspect cords before each use, and never operate electrical equipment in wet conditions. Across the Fatal Four, follow the hierarchy. Eliminate, substitute, engineer, administer, then PPE as the last line. Ultimately, rules, procedures, and equipment are only as effective as the culture that surrounds them. A binder on a shelf or a pallet of brand new harnesses saves no one. Safety is an action. Leaders must demonstrate, communicate, and enforce safety every day. Budget for guardrails, certified fall arrest systems, thorough training, and adequate supervision. Build time for briefings and inspections. Stop work when conditions are unsafe, whines or missing guardrails. Empower everyone to speak up. Listen, thank, and correct hazards immediately. No reprisals. When safety is shared responsibility, teams become stronger, more aware, and far safer. Stay alert, stay secure, stay alive.